Hello all, we are going to view general settings parameters. Parameter used to observe that the device and the application are running. When enabled, Send a live beacon object will send selected value with defined time interval. The delay time determines the period between bus voltage recovery and the point after which telegrams can be sent. Proximity sensor can be enabled. Through the proximity sensor, it is possible to keep the Eclipse switch in a standby state, setting a level of brightness of the LEDs and reactivate the backlighting of the buttons only when the user approaches the switch. When proximity timeout is over, brightness of LEDs will be dimmed to standby dimming value until next proximity approach is detected. Approach detections can be enabled. When activated, approach switching value object will send selected value. Object value can be inverted. Humidity sensor can be enabled. When enabled, humidity sensor section will appear in general section. Carbon dioxide sensor can be enabled. When enabled, carbon dioxide sensor section will appear in general section. Logic functions can be enabled. Logic functions section will appear. We will talk about logic functions section in next videos. Brightness sensor can be enabled. Eclipse switch adjusts brightness of LEDs and display according to ambient light level, which is measured by built-in light sensor. Minimum and maximum brightness levels can be defined here. LED's brightness will be adjusted between these two percentage levels. Min brightness value can be defined between 0% to 50%. Max brightness value can be defined between 50% to 100%. Darkness recognition can be enabled. Darkness switching value object will send selected value when measured brightness decreases as below 10 lux. Object value can be inverted. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.